Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.37. Let's take a closer look at the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.49%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.25% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 8% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 4.5% to 9.25%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a likely change of about 25 2/3% over the next year, with potential returns between 16.4% and 27.75%. This suggests a price range between $701.45 and $769.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF features the headline, SPY ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The SPY ETF price increased by 0.63% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of November, 2024. The price rose from $598.78 to $602.55. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.662%, with a low of $599.38 and a high of $603.35. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.54% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares traded for approximately $13.94 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $603.35, while the lowest was $454.31. Currently, the price is 0.13%, or 80 cents, below the 52-week high of $603.35, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has achieved a record close today, November 29th, 2024, marking a remarkable 0.6% increase during a shortened trading session. This milestone reflects strong performance across technology and retail sectors, bolstered by robust Black Friday sales exceeding $10.8 billion, coupled with major gains in stocks like Nvidia, which rose by 2.4%. Such upward movements in the index are indicative of growing investor confidence and a potential continuation of this bullish trend into 2025. However, the market dynamics are mixed, with analysts cautioning about headwinds in the chip sector, highlighting concerns over companies like Lam Research and Applied Materials amid ongoing investigations. Despite these concerns, the overall sentiment remains optimistic, particularly as a soft landing for the U.S. economy looks plausible after several anticipated rate cuts. As we look to the future, heightened investor enthusiasm combined with these economic indicators may sustain upward pressure on SPY in both the short and long term. Continued strong earnings and consumer spending could further facilitate growth, while challenges in specific sectors may create volatility that could impact individual stock performances more severely. As 2025 approaches, the S&P 500's robust annual gains and market positioning suggest a promising outlook, even amidst the complexities that lie ahead. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the ETF. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any potential downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels near $597.02 and $586.83. If prices drop below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far, the ETF has appreciated by 11.5%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Interestingly, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, warranting close attention to the ETF. Additionally, some negative signals have been generated, which could influence short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal is currently being indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal around 2 months ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal approximately 2 weeks ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy around 1 week ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy about 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal around 18 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy approximately 81 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $570.98 and $568.25. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $570.98. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $568 and $554.42. Generally, the fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this exchange-traded fund. During the last day, the fund moved $3.97 between its high and low, or 0.662%. Over the past week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 0.651%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $582.18, reflecting a decrease of 3.38%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 59 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF shows several positive indicators and is currently in a weak upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a solid choice at this time, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our assessment of this ETF from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by approximately 79 cents, starting at $601.76. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.